have my turtleneck on, I have my glasses on, so clearly this is an Apple video. Alright, we're gonna take this off because that's distracting. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a organizational video. And in this video, it's all about the new Apple iOS 14 system. So if you're here because you want to know how to make your phone look super aesthetic, but also very functional at the same time, just keep on watching. So not only am I going to talk about how to make your phone look very aesthetic with the different widgets and the customization, I'm also going to show you my tips on how to stay super organized and use these widgets more as a productivity tool. And I just want to share with you guys the things that I've done that's really helped me stay on top of that and hopefully help you guys out stay productive and organized throughout the day. Look at these pages kind of like collections in a bullet journal. Now that I don't use my bullet journal anymore, and I've just gone fully digital, this kind of brings back that bullet journal feel by having those collections. Have like different collections where you can put in quotes, you can put in like your health page, your goals, like things like that that'll make your phone just feel more like a bullet journal digitally, if that makes sense. Step number one, you gotta download the new iOS system, right? Or else you can't really use it. Go to your settings, and under settings, you'll see general. And then under general, you'll hit software update. And if you haven't already updated your software, that's where you do it. When it comes to the different widgets, the way you do that is you edit your home screen, you hit that little plus button over here, and after you hit that plus button, you can see all the different widgets that you have. So the different widgets are like your notes, calendar, weather, all that fun stuff that you can customize onto your home screen. Now, where the magic really happens and where you could really make it look aesthetic and just beautiful is through the app called Widgetsmith. So go to your app store and type in Widgetsmith. This is where you can use the app to make so many different customizations. It's unreal. If you want more inspiration, WeHeartIt is a good place to find people's like background screenshots. There's already so many inspirations. So find an aesthetic that works for you. For me, I stuck to the whole nude, warm tone since we are in the fall months. So the way I broke down my phone is I have several different pages. Each page has something different. The first page has all of my tasks. The tasks are linked to my reminders app. So this is where I update that with all the things that I need to get done. So when I do open my phone, I automatically see all the things that I need to get done. So I have those tasks already in mind. Underneath that, I just have a couple images, and I feel like throwing in the different images amongst all of like the productive widgets is just gonna really help make your phone look super aesthetic. Also, if you guys want to use any of the images that I used on my phone, I'll have a link down below to my Pinterest board where I've saved all the images that you could take and save and use it on your phone. My second page has my calendar. Now my calendar is linked to my Google Calendar, so it has all of my schedule, all of my important events, everything that I need to know in my calendar. So when I swipe on over, I can see all the major events that I have, and I also do calendar blocking, so I can see what I need to work on at that allotted time. And then underneath it, I have another pretty picture. Next to it, I have Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Now you can tell that the icon of the apps are very different, and this is how you can customize that. And the way you do that is through the app called Shortcuts. I believe all Apple phones have it. So open your Shortcuts app, and what you do is you hit that plus button. When you hit that plus button, you want to hit add action and then hit scripting. When you hit scripting, I know it's a lot. When you hit scripting, hit open app, and then you choose the app that you want. So say I want to do AdSense. I have AdSense here, then I'm going to hit next. Once I hit next, I'm gonna click the shortcut name. I'll put AdSense, but you can do whatever you want. Boom, I have my shortcuts made. So you're gonna hit the three dots, and then you're going to click add to home screen. So this is where you can change the icon. Click that purple button or that icon next to the name, and you hit choose photo, and this is where you can pick the photo that you want. So I'm gonna pick this photo right here. Once you click it, you hit add, you hit done, and bam, it is on your home page just like that. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty tedious. It took me took me a good minute to change all of the icons and set everything up, but once it's done, it's totally worth it. So say you have a bunch of apps that you don't want to keep on your home screen. What you can do is you can edit home screen button, hit that delete button, but instead of deleting the app, just hit move to app library. That way you do not delete it off of your phone. You just basically removed it from your home screen. It's on your app library and it's all organized into little sections, which I think is honestly amazing. Now another thing you could do is hit edit home screen and hit the dots that you see at the bottom. When you hit that, you can see all the different pages that you have. Say you have a page you don't want to see anymore, instead of deleting it, you could hide it. That way, once you hide it, it's not fully deleted, but once you fill through your pages, you won't see it there. The third page is all of my YouTube goodies. So all the tools that I use to manage my YouTube page and my blog. So I have Asana, which has all of my content planning and just all of my content in it. Then I have YouTube Studio, YouTube Google Analytics. The other apps that I have are Reward Style, which is what I use for affiliate marketing. Then I have Blog, Lovin', Pinterest, and then Smart Closet. And then I have just a couple more images and just like a calendar through the widget app. The next page is my health page, and so the way I have it set up is I have it set up to my workout calendar. That way I could see when my workout is that day. And then I have my widget app for my activity. I honestly don't know where my Apple Watch is, but when you have your Apple Watch on, which connects to how active you are, how many steps you've taken, all of that, that's where this is going to be logged on. And then I just have a cute quote on top. I hate walking into the kitchen to find I'm the only snack in there. I just thought it was very relevant for the health page. And then the fourth page, I just have like more of like a seasonal page where it has like a cute fall photo and like a cute fall quote. Once again, this is where you could use like the widgets to make your phone look really cute. And then the last thing I want to say is I have the main apps that I use a lot on my home screen, and I have it in a folder. So when you do create a shortcut for like say your text or something where it gives you a notification, with the shortcut feature, it doesn't show you what notifications that you have. Like it doesn't have that red dot with a number on it, and I want to see that notification number for certain apps. So what I did is I ended up putting them all in a folder, and I just have it at that bottom bar. That way it's always there no matter what page I'm on. Well, please screenshot your pages after you customize it and then send it over to my Instagram. I would love to see them. My Instagram handle is xoxokmo. Other than that, you guys, I'll see you guys next time.